In today's show, the Bitcoin price hitting $20,000 wouldn't be surprising for Blockstream CEO Adam Back, and we'll be sharing why that is in today's show. He just took to crypto Twitter, woke up to a vivid dream this morning, which took a moment to realize was a dream. Sure, you've had them once in a while. It was that Bitcoin hit 20K overnight and then pulled back to 16K. Didn't seem surprising given the market conditions, so it wasn't the price that caused the wake up. We'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at what popular crypto analyst Plan B has to share regarding updates to the stock to flow model. He just wrote, so the Fed just went full Zimbabwe. Less than 50 days until the halving. Chart updated at Bitcoin 6,300. Rocket ship to the moon. Also, Michael Novogratz just wrote, Bitcoin will continue to be volatile over the next few months, but the macro backdrop is why it was created. This will be and needs to be Bitcoin's year. Touche. Also in today's show, Bitcoin price analysis. Bitcoin continues to be resilient as economy tanks. Are we headed above 7,000 next? In today's show, we'll be taking a look at the overall market. As you can see, we're experiencing a pumpy pump right now with Bitcoin hovering between 6,300 and 6,400, up about 5% for the day. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's show, Tika Tiwari's 5 coins to 5 million, the final five tiny cryptos that can turn $500 into 5 million thanks to a crypto market phenomenon guaranteed to hit in roughly 50 days. If you missed this live crypto event, you can still catch the replay for a limited time by clicking the link right below this video in the description. Once you do, it'll take you here. Simply enter your favorite email address and click the button that says sign me up. Once you do, it'll redirect you here so that you can watch the replay from this live crypto event where he charters this $45 million G5 to take us to a top secret location to hear directly from some head bankers in another part of the world. I'm not going to give it away, and what they have planned for what's to come in the crypto market. So check it out. Click the link right down below and enjoy the replay. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into today's top story of the day. The Bitcoin price hitting 20,000 wouldn't be surprising for Adam Back, the Blockstream CEO. If you're not familiar with Adam Back, here's a photo of him. He's the CEO of Blockstream, who was quoted in Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper. He says 20K wouldn't be surprising to him whatsoever, especially considering today's market conditions. So I already read you this tweet, but let's check out some of the interesting replies here. Erkan Efe responded, Adam, I learned you as a father of proof of work, not as a Bitcoin pumper. You should be much bigger than a $20,000 dream. And Adam Back responded, I do think much bigger. Trading is just for fun with allocation, more cold stored. It's not about the money, but the positive societal change and hard bearer eCash. Cypherpunks wanted to build hard eCash for 25 years. Now we have it. Very, very interested to see the full impact. And then he added to that, but don't write off the value of liquidity, trading with less third-party custody, atomic trade. That's part of the value of Bitcoin. Cypherspace, zero trust things are very cool, and literally a cypherpunk dream realized already. The coronavirus crisis has created economic mayhem, to say the least, that has affected pretty much every asset class. Bitcoin also took a huge hammering last week together with global stocks after Bitcoin managed to recover 80% of its humongous drop. The S&P 500, the flagship index of the U.S. equities market, dragged it down once again on Friday due to another bloodbath on Wall Street. Bitcoin dropped 20% from its yesterday high of 69.51 before the bulls stepped in to push the price back above 6,000. And taking a look at the overall crypto market right now, we just started pumping right before I hit the record button. Bitcoin up 4.4% for the day, currently trading just above $6,300. But let's let's keep in mind that Bitcoin could rocket higher. Absolutely. It's worth noting that Back accurately called Bitcoin's recent price spike, as reported by U.Today. He explained that dip buyers would soon start putting their cash to work. The drop that followed dampened bullish sentiment, but it remains to be seen whether this downtrend will continue, with the U.S. Federal Reserve firing new bazookas and the Bank of England promising to print an unlimited amount of money. There hasn't been a better time for Bitcoin to shine. I agree 100%. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments down below. Now let's take a look at what Plan B had to share on crypto Twitter. He wrote this just today. So the Fed just went full Zimbabwe, talking about printing cash, which will eventually be worthless if they continue in the trajectory they are, right? Less than 50 days until the halving. The chart updated Bitcoin at 6,300, rocket ship to the moon. And checking out some of the responses to his tweet, Blowquart wrote, won't be long until the dollar reaches 1 billion Hungarian pengo note level, the world's most inflated currency. Mac responded, yeah, a $95,000 pump in the next 6 months. Woohoo! Yes, and he's referring to the stock to flow model, which predicts Bitcoin trading at $100,000 by the end of 2021, meaning we have a $95,000 pump heading our way, according to the stock to flow model. So could this be the future of the US dollar, a $100 trillion bill with Donald Trump's face plastered right on the front? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. Next 50 days might be the longest and darkest 50 days in our lifetime. Bitballin responded, the opposite, the last 50 days to buy up cheap Bitcoin. And here's an accurate description of central banking in 2020, printing that money. Go Fed. And Michael Navigratz took to crypto Twitter, Bitcoin will continue to be volatile over the next few months, but the macro backdrop is why it was created. This will be and needs to be Bitcoin's year. I agree 100%. Let's not lose sight of why Bitcoin was created in the first place back in 2008 after and as a result of the financial crisis. Crypto Michael responded, probably after this year, but this will be Bitcoin's decade. That's true. Bitcoin Sessions responded, I don't think Bitcoin knows a crisis is happening. It cannot react. It can only continue to exist and function as designed. That is enough. Tommy Mustache responded with this meme, the world has an unlimited supply of fiat to buy a limited supply of 21 million Bitcoin, with a picture of Warren Buffett. This cracks me up. And now for some Bitcoin price analysis. Will Bitcoin continue to be resilient as the economy tanks? Are we headed above $7,000 next? Well, let's discuss it. Bitcoin fell by a total of 4% over the past 24 hours of trading. It dropped much further lower, but managed to find strong support at 5,786, which allowed the crypto to rebound higher and break back above 6,000 to where we're currently trading above the $6,000 critical support. The crypto is proven to be extremely resilient as it continues to stabilize while the rest of the economy around the world continues to fall further and lower. So here we have it, the daily chart on the short term. Let's take a look, shall we? Analyzing the daily chart you see on your screen, we can see that Bitcoin failed to close above the resistance at 61.75 again, which caused the market to roll over yesterday and fall. Luckily, it found support at our previously highlighted 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, which is priced at $5,786. The crypto rebounded from here to climb back above 6,000. We just touched about 6,500. As I was hitting the record button earlier, we saw the market pump about 8%, and it just dropped down to where it's currently trading at just above $6,200. You know what I mean? So the short-term prediction is neutral. Bitcoin remains neutral and would need to close above 6,500, which we just touched, before we can consider a very short-term bullish trend toward the upside. The first level of strong resistance lies at 6,175, which we're currently above. The coin struggled with the resistance over the past 4 days of trading and failed to close above here on each attempt. Above this, resistance lies at 6,542 and $7,000. If buyers continue to drive even further above 7,000, resistance lies at 7,100 and 7,174 and 7,270. And on the other side, support is located at 5,786, and this is followed with support at 5,600, 5,500, and 5,467. Now the key levels to look out for support: 59.11, 57.86, 5600, 5500, and so on. And for resistance, 61.74, 65.42, 6700, 6800, and $7,000. And taking a look back at the overall crypto market, not only is Bitcoin pumping right now, but Ethereum started to pump, up 0.72%, trading at $130. EOS up 1.55%, trading at $2.24. Miss Litecoin up 2.22%, trading at $38. BSV up less than 1%, trading at $164. BCH up 1%, trading at $216. Leo is up 0.1%, trading at $1 even. Link is down 1%, trading at $2.13. So as you can see, some of the major cryptos started to pump once again. But will it be short-lived and reverse by the bears? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. The total crypto market cap is sitting at 171 billion with 138 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And the current BTC dominance still on the climb. Yesterday it was 65% and today is 65.4%. And taking a look at the top gainers in the top 100, we have Status leading the pack up almost 10%, trading at 1 cent. V Systems up 8.88%, trading at 2.5 cents. Wakey Chain up 5%, trading at 15 cents. MCO, go MCO, up 5%, trading at $4.38. Crypto.com coin up 3.8%, trading at almost 4 cents. And Terra up 3.3%, trading at 14 cents. And now for the biggest losers, Hedera Hashgraph down 10%, trading at 3 cents. Sia Coin minus 7%, trading at 0.001. Wax down almost 7%, trading at 3 cents. Digibyte down almost 7%, trading at 0.003. Engine Coin, ENJ, down 6.5%, trading at 7 cents, and Decred down 5.5%, trading at $11.16. And taking a look at the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are back in control, but barely, leading by 8 million in superiority in the last 24 hours, with longs leading 50.15% versus 49.85% shorts. Are you currently bullish or bearish on Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments right down below. And checking out one of my favorite indicators, the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, shows we're currently rated a 10 in extreme fear. Yesterday was an 11, and last week an 8 in extreme fear, and last month a 44. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, we're currently rated in extreme fear, which represents a sign that investors are too worried. This can be a great buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And checking out the Bitcoin block reward halving countdown, we have 51 days, 1 hour, 23 minutes, and 21 seconds left to go. But who's counting? This guy right here. The estimated time of the Bitcoin halving is set to be May 13th. Are you bullish or bearish leading up to this event, which only occurs every 4 years? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. I'm still very bullish, even though short-term bearish due to the Black Swan coronavirus pandemic. Nobody knows what to expect. A lot of people are in chaos. They're fighting over toilet paper, for Christ's sake, as the rich continue to get richer, as the Fed is printing money, and then they're purchasing all of the assets at a discount. This is robbery, my friend, if you ask me, but I'm just a YouTuber. What do I know at the end of the day? And I want to encourage you to check out the description right below this video by clicking show more below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. This goes for all of the videos right here on my YouTube channel. I also have some very helpful resources for you to tap into, including the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. This is updated every single day and allows you to download the latest episode of the show. Also, I'm going to assume you've already subscribed right here on YouTube because you're smart. And also, we could be found on all the major podcasting platforms, including Apple's iTunes. To visit, all you got to do is click this link and start listening, download the show, do your thing. Also, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio, TuneIn. So whichever podcasting platform you're active on, please help support the show. It's greatly appreciated. You can also follow us on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. My Twitter handle is Crypto News Yes. And also have a private crypto Facebook group to become a part of this. All you need to do is click this link, request to join. I'll make sure you get plugged in. There's 17,000 cryptopreneurs here from all over the world, so it's a great community to plug into. And I also have a private crypto Telegram chat. To become a part of this, simply click this link from a mobile device and you'll automatically be added, and I look forward to connecting with you in the inside. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto revolution. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive daily notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick before I go, Tika Tiwari's 5 coins to 5 million, the final 5. You can still catch the replay in case you missed this live crypto event for a limited time by clicking the link right below this video in the description. It'll take you here. Simply enter your favorite email address and click the button that says sign me up. It'll then redirect you to this limited time replay stream page so you can hear it directly from Tika Tiwari himself, taking you inside this crypto phenomenon. He chartered this $45 million Gulfstream G5 specifically to take you to a secret location to speak with the head banker so you can see where people are putting their money and what's likely to come inside this crypto market. If you gain value out of today's show, once again, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell notification, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.